Welcome everyone to my first ever YouTube guide about memecoins. Many of you are gonna wonder, what are memecoins? Memecoins are coins launched in the Solana chain and can be found in pump fund mainly, and they are basically memes, right? You can see here like memes, and you're gonna ask, how can I make money out of them? Like, you cannot keep track of this page, right? Of course, no one can. So there are a few steps you need to follow to get started. First of all, you need to find your favorite trading platform. There are three options out there: Photon, Bullex, and Axiom. Now, Photon, for me, I have tried it. It was my first ever platform. I didn't like it, so I'm not gonna recommend it at all. Now, Bullex and Axiom Pro. So, Axiom Pro is a new actually website for trading. It dropped recently and is still in early access, and many people use it. My friends, many YouTubers out there. If you search Axiom Pro, you will see many videos because it's an amazing platform and you should really check it out. Axiom Pro also has given me a referral link with 30% discount on fees, and you can find it in the description below. Now, why Axiom Pro over Bullex? Bullex is also an amazing platform, don't get me wrong. I will also put my link in the description, you can check it out and trade here, but I don't recommend it because it has high fees, and I'm gonna go over that in a second. So I don't recommend Bullex, I recommend Axiom Pro. It has a discover panel, which you are not really gonna use, and now here is where the magic happens. So new pairs are newly created meme coins, right? As you can see here, many of them getting launched every second, really, and here you can put some filters to help you clear out the bad meme coins. I'm gonna go over the filters in the next video. I'm not gonna show them now, and yeah, stay tuned for that. So final threats are meme coins that are about to migrate into Radium. What does that mean, you ask? If you hover over a meme coin, this website has an amazing feature where it shows you how much percentage still is bonds, right? As you can see, it says bonding 85%. Now, what does that mean? If it migrates into Radium, it's gonna go over to the migrated panel, right? And more people are gonna see it and trade it. Now, the migrated are obviously coins that went into Radium, they migrated successfully, and now they are ready to keep trading and get more people, right? Go high, like in market cap. Now, this website also has two other amazing features: wallet manager and Twitter alerts. Now, wallet tracker is basically a need. You can track other people's wallet, like famous traders, maybe your friends, maybe other YouTubers, maybe successful individuals that share their wallet, and you can track them and see what they are doing, what coins they are buying, and everything. But I don't recommend ever copy trading them. If you see someone famous, oh, he bought that coin, let me buy it too. Most of the time it does not work. You will lose money guaranteed, so don't do it. Also, there is a Twitter tracker, which I'm gonna go over if you see here in the third step. So for now we can skip that. Now, this is basically it. Axiom Pro also has the trading bot. You can really buy it instantly. If you see, you click, you buy instantly. It's really fast. And using this platform, it has 30% discount on fees, which means if you are trading with low port, like you put low money into it in order to get used to it, gain experience, the gains you're gonna get are really gonna get eaten up by fees. In Bullex and Photon especially, your gains are gonna be so little because the fees are gonna eat them up. But Axiom has so low fees, you are actually gonna be profitable. Second thing you're gonna need to get started in the memecoin trading is a trading bot, right? Now I have optional here because I'm gonna explain why. Axiom Pro already has an amazing bot built in the platform. It's so quick, it's so fast, it buys coins instantly. I don't think you're gonna need any other additional bots. But in case you tried it out and you think it's a little slow, which is impossible, to me at least, you can also try out Nova. Now, you are gonna ask, what's Nova? Nova, the main bot is currently under maintenance, it's getting updated again. It's getting updated really like often, and now you can use a secondary. Nova is trading bot. It's fairly new as well, and if you search Nova out there, you can, don't trust me on this, okay? Everything I say, don't trust me. You can search it. You can search Axiom Pro. You can search Nova bot. You can search everything yourself and then find out. Nova bot is probably the fastest bot out there you can use, right? If you go over the link in my description, it's gonna pop up this bot in a Telegram. You need a Telegram to activate the bot. You can click start, and then it's gonna say that because it's under maintenance. But let's go over to bot 1. Now let's click start. If you click start on the main bot, yeah, it's gonna show you the wallet. This wallet is my new challenge wallet. It's gonna be a 0.1 sol to 10 sol challenge in next video. You can stay tuned for that as well. It had some features, as you can see: buy, position, sniper, wallets, limit orders, copy trade, auto buy, FK, Nova click, referrals. I'm gonna go over all the features in another video as well. Right now I'm just doing the basics. Now Nova click for me is the best feature it has. You can click Nova click here and you can download it, as you can see. Download the thing and you instantly have it. It's gonna be in your extensions, right? So let's go over the you can enable it here. It's gonna be like that. Enable Nova panel, and then you can go over here and this is gonna pop up. And what does this do? So let's see. Let's say you see a coin and you wanna buy it. Let's say you wanna buy it. You can fix the presets, right? You can fix the fees and everything, and then you wanna buy. So oops, I closed. Okay. You can buy. You can click here. Let's say this, and you click buy. It buys automatically, and then you choose percentage you wanna sell. You sell, and then basically you can use it like together with Axiom Pro. As you can see, I can click it, buy, sell high, and make profit. Now, do I recommend NovaBot? I do. It's really fast, but I also prefer Axiom Pro because of the fees. As I said, guys, 30% discount on fees. You can't miss out on that. So if you don't mind the fees, I guess you can try Nova. It's a really amazing bot. It's the best out there. It's the fastest, even fastest than Axiom sometimes. But as I said, Axiom has 30% discount on fees, and it can really help build up better profit. Now, you also need a Twitter tracker. Now you are gonna ask, what is a Twitter tracker? So, what is a Twitter tracker? I will post Discord link in the description. It's a completely free server from an amazing guy, an amazing trader, this guy Lek. He does an amazing job, he helps out people, and this is his Discord. I started with his videos, his Discord, everything, and now I'm successful because of him. Now, if you come into this server, you will need to verify, and then you can go down here. It's a free city monitor. Now, what's this? It's a Twitter tracker basically. As you can see, let's wait a second. New Twitters are gonna drop soon. While we wait, so Twitter tracker is basically, as you can tell, a Twitter tracker. It tracks new tweets, right? And why is that useful, you may ask? New tweets are basically new meme coins. Many people use tweets to make like a new meme coin, and if you catch it really fast, let's say okay, Elon Musk replied, he said okay, maybe someone can copy the link of the tweet, post it here. As you can see, this is a new, it can really fly and hit big numbers, right? So Twitter tracker is really useful. It's the number one thing I would say for trading, because you can keep track of newly created tweets, and maybe this guy, right? Maybe they will make a meme out of him, a meme coin. If you see it first, you can buy it really low price, and then more people are gonna see it, right? And they are gonna keep buying, and it's gonna really go really high, and you will have a perfect entry and basically make so much money. That's a way people find 100x, 10x, 50x, etc. Right? Twitter tracker is the key to make money. Okay, we went over that. Last thing, it's a mystery, right? Why did I keep it like that? Because it's really optional, but helps a lot. Now it's gonna sound really, I don't know, dumb or something, but you need to find friends. You need to find a group. You need to find some dedicated, like dedicated individuals into Memecoin trading, because you can all trade together, right? Like let's say 5 people, it's better than one. 5 people can, check tweets, keep track of everything better, give calls and everything. Trading in a group is always better than trading alone, because they are gonna correct your mistakes, you are gonna correct their mistakes, and you can help each other out, right? Now, this server is also very active, as you can see here. Many people are in the VC, many people have live streams open, you can learn from them. And also, something before I close the video, the recording, Lek, this amazing guy, has also posted a how to start guide here in the Discord. It's completely free, you can read through it. It's really completely free. You have nothing to pay, only support and be active in the Discord, and everything you need, it's gonna be here, right? I'm promoting him because he's amazing and he helps out a lot, and you can find his Discord in the description. Join for free, read all of this, how to start, and check out the free Twitter monitor, right? Remember, it's the key. Now, thank you for watching the video, thank you for sticking through the tutorial. A like and a subscribe will be appreciated, because I'm just starting my journey out. I want to help people to get into Memecoin trading and become better. So yeah, remember, Axiom Trading is the best platform to use. You can find my referral link in the description. You can use it, get your discount on fees completely free in a few seconds, and you can get started. Do your own research before buying any coins, and good luck out there. You can join this Discord, maybe add me up, DM me on Discord. I will reply to all of you guys, help you out. So yeah, thank you for everything, and have a nice day.